Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Taritukayanti and today I would like to present about transformation. In this presentation, I will explain the concept of transformation, its application in various fields, and several important mathematical expressions used to describe transformation. Transformation is one of the fundamental topics in geometry because it describes how a figure changes its position, orientation, or size on the coordinate plane. Although a figure may move or change, many of its geometric properties can remain unchanged depending on the type of transformation. Understanding transformation helps us analyze geometric figures, solve mathematical problems, and apply mathematical in technology, engineering, architecture, and computer graphics. Now, let us begin with the concept of transformation. First, let us discuss the concept of transformation. A transformation is a mathematical operation that changes the position, orientation, or size of a figure on the coordinate plane. Depending on the type of transformation, certain geometric properties such as shape, angle, distance, or orientation may remain unchanged. There are four basic types of transformation. The first is translation. Translation moves every point of a figure by the same distance and in the same direction. The figure slides to a new position without rotating or changing its size. Therefore, the shape and dimension remain exactly the same. The second is reflection. A reflection flips a figure across a line called the line of reflection, producing a mirror image. Although the orientation changes, the size and the shape remain unchanged. The third is rotation. A rotation turns a figure around a fixed point, usually called the center of rotation, through a certain angle. The figure keeps the same size and shape, but its orientation changes. The fourth is dilation. Unlike the previous transformation, dilation changes the size of a figure by multiplying every distance from the center by a scale factor. If the scale factor is greater than 1, the figure becomes larger. If the scale factor is between 0 and 1, the figure becomes smaller. However, the shape of the figure remains similar to the original. Therefore, transformation forms the foundation of many topics in geometry. Now, let us discuss several applications of transformation. Transformation is widely used in many areas of science and technology. The first application is computer graphics. In video games, animation, and digital design, transformations are used to move, rotate, enlarge, or reduce objects on the screen. For example, when a game character walks, jump, or turn around, the computer performs a sequence of translation and rotation. Without geometric transformation, modern computer graphics would not function efficiently. The second application is architecture and design. Architects use reflection and rotation to create buildings with balanced and symmetrical design. Translation is also used when repeating structural elements such as windows, columns, or decorative patterns. This transformation helps produce buildings that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The third application is art and pattern making. Many decorative patterns, mosaic, and tessellation are created by repeatedly applying translation, reflection, rotation, and some dilation. This mathematical principle allows artists to produce designs that are both beautiful and symmetrical. In addition, transformations are also applied in robot engineering, image processing, and manufacturing. This example demonstrates that transformation connect mathematical with many real-world applications. Now let us example some mathematical expression used in geometric transformation. The first transformation is translation. If a point has coordinate x, y, and it is translated by the vector a, b, then the new coordinate becomes x plus a, y plus b. This means we add a to the x coordinate and b to the y coordinate. The second transformation is reflection across the x-axis. The coordinate changes from xy to x negative y. Notice that the x coordinate remains the same while the y coordinate changes its sign. The third transformation is a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation about the origin. The coordinates change from xy to negative yx. This formula describes how the position of every point changes after a 90-degree rotation. Finally, we have dilation with scalar factor k. The coordinates x, y become kx, ky. This means each coordinate is multiplied by the same scale factor. If k is greater than 1, the figure enlarges. If 0 is less than k is less than 1, the figure shrinks. This mathematical expression allows us to perform transformation accurately and efficiently on the coordinate plane. Okay, finally I have reached the end of my presentation. Today we learned that a transformation is a mathematical operation that changes the position, orientation, or size of a figure. We discussed the four basic transformations: translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. We also explore several real-life applications, including computer graphics, architecture, and art. Finally, we review the mathematical formulas used to perform this transformation on the coordinate plane. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the importance of transformation in mathematics and their practical application in everyday life. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.